Hello guys, I'm a Hari Quiz. To tell you in this tutorials how to go for your custom ringtones on your iPhone device. As we know that we have limited ringtones on any iPhone device, but how do you especially set as a custom or according to your own choice ringtones on any iPhones? Either it is from the MP3 songs, it may be from especially your own dialogues or movie dialogues or video songs. As a ringtone, of course, we can set up. So firstly, we will check it out how do you create another phone, of course. Then how do you import this as a ringtone? Because how it's limited, I would like to show you how. Tap on a setting to, of course, we will come the sound and haptics. So where it is? Yeah, sound and haptics. This one's just we will tap on it. Let's open. So now here we can check it out. The ringtone reflections. This one we have elected. Now we have a limited ringtones. We have options that we can purchase, but by free of course. How do I especially customize the ringtones? Yes, we will see live now. Just for creating or generating according to your own choice ringtones, we will go for virtual DJ. It will give you good bass with reverb, delay, everything. So I have open these ones. Now we will have to import one song or drag that one song. So this is my favorite. Just we will approach this one. We will go for here a little bit. We will take a reverb. We will take also delay and reverbs. We will go for SM effects. This tool also, if you want, then directly you can go on this official website. It's a free trial version, of course. You can use it a little bit. Slow phase we will go for 6.7. Then of course we'll go for gaining point a little bit. We will go for kick voice and these things. So now everything is okay. Now we would like to create as a ringtones. So just we will come on here. See, from here to this ones, of course now it will be started from here. So we will cut it the clue. Now recording of this tone we will approach in the record mode to MP3 is already. Now we will write here TW tone, fine, so that it will be most clear. Now we will approach to a start to record. So here a little bit we will approach and now this thing and see here for 30 seconds to of course the 15 seconds we will approach to a record. So let's see. So these beat only ones we would like to 4 beat this from here to here. This is a good ones. So let's say start from here to here. Just we would like. Otherwise, of course, we can approach this also. So I had already elected. Let's this bit we would like to have from. It will be started. So we will click on a start. Let's see. Done. Now see guys, only 2 vocals especially we have elected here, and of course this ringtone has been generated and of course it is on a desktop. How does of course that we can I will show you. Let's see. Here this ringtone, the cam here, it has been generated. Now how do I have some this ones especially on particular here these ones. This is also not easy task. So just we will click on a ringtone 2. Of course we have options to the import. We'll go for file to of course we will come desktop to of course we will import. Now see how easily it has been imported. Now just quickly TW cam here guys, and now of course it has generated completely and we can elect these ringtones. How it is possible? Let's see. Now see. Of course now see. So this ringtone I have created and directly we have the importance. How is this cam? So don't worry, no need to purchase any ringtones, no need to download. Directly of course so that we can create our own slides, either it is videos, audios, memos or your own sound dialogues. Of course so that we can have it and quickly that we can import on your iPhones. So this is all about to know more information and further any latest update. Of course you can subscribe this channel, spontaneously, of course. To know more or any inquiry, then of course you can drop the query in the comments box. Pleasure remains to reply your query. So this is all about it. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Thank you for visiting. Have a great time. Bye bye.